Lake Superior, my home. One thing I enjoy about being around the lake is capturing moments, either local or far. I come back with cool experiences, I meet cool people along the way, and I also capture many moments. There's beauty all around this lake. Here's my story. I'm at a rest area right now on the outskirts of Wisconsin, near Wisconsin Point. My first stop on this adventure is going to be Lake of the Clouds, Porcupine Mountains area. I've never been there. I'm excited. I just wanted to get on the outskirts of town because traffic was just crazy right now. I don't even know why. But that's what I'm aiming to, and I will see you guys there in a bit. All right, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, September 27th. If you hear that little fan back there, that's my charger for my camera batteries. Right now, I'm about 20 minutes out of Marquette, Michigan, so I'm going to be heading there. I slept at a wayside last night. Shockingly, it was a ghost town. I was the only one there. So to give everyone an update, I was gonna try to make it to the Lake of the Clouds, Porcupine Mountains. That didn't go as planned. It was already basically got dark by the time I got there. No big deal. So I'm gonna just do that on the way back home. So I'm just gonna keep going forward. I'm actually at the portion of my trip I wanted to get to, so from Marquette all the way toward the border. And sorry, I'm just having my morning coffee here. So we're gonna make our way to Marquette. I just fueled up, got some coffee, and I'm gonna figure out my life's purpose. So see you soon.
Until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like walk
All right, I just now left Miners Beach. What a beautiful scenery there. I know I haven't really said much today. I've been just kind of going through the motions, just enjoying the ride, enjoying the drive, and all that. So I'm in the parking lot of Miners Beach. I'm ready to leave. I think I'm gonna head to Tequamanon State Falls. I think I'm gonna do that one there, and I'm probably gonna call it for the day. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit the lighthouses. Today I hit Munising Falls, I hit Wagner Falls, so I hit a few spots. But yeah, I think wow, this adventure is really interesting. The fall colors are actually starting to pop. Actually, I'll show you real quick. The colors are not really popped out. It's September 27th. There's some areas like over here, it's kind of popped, and my GPS is talking to me. So I think I'm gonna just do that and hope for the best, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna head to Tequamanon State Falls, and I will see you guys when I get there. After leaving Miners Castle, I wanted to make my way to Tequamanon Falls. Upon driving down the main highway, I had a bit of deja vu that overwhelmed me. And when I pulled in to this wayside, funny enough, I stopped here 3 years ago to wait out a thunderstorm. And that feeling, to look back at it, left me a bit emotional. Man, this just hit full circle for me. I'm in kind of a world of emotions right now, in a good way. About 3 years ago, I stopped at this same wayside. I was just waiting out a thunderstorm. I was heading towards the Mackinac Bridge. It was my first road trip, and lo and behold, full circle, I'm back here now. Looking at the transformation from my first road trip to the changes I've made over the years, the changes the cars went through over the years, it's kind of a lot. Given I'm heading towards the east end of the Upper Peninsula, as I was coming down this road, I'm like, why does this all look familiar to me? And I'm like, oh, I remember there's a wayside coming up. I waited out for a thunderstorm, and sure enough, this is it. And it's funny because I parked right about the same spot I park now. Actually, probably the same exact spot. Oh, I have to go comb those old photos on an old computer of mine. But yeah, it just kind of makes you think that, like, you don't realize how much your life changes until you go back to a place that you remember from many moons ago. But yeah, I just had to really stop and just reflect on just the whole trip, and then just stopping here, everything just really came full circle. And it makes me appreciate a lot. It makes me appreciate everything. The time I first got here to now, and all the experiences in between, and what's coming after this. So I always encourage everyone to, just enjoy the moment. And right now, I'm pretty much having a moment. But I'm ready to set off here pretty soon. We're gonna head to Tequamanon Falls, and I'm just gonna take a moment to really just soak this in. I'll see you guys there.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me. To run away with me. Away with
Guys, I've made it to Waterfalls Falls, and look at this light. Oh my goodness. I'm in awe. And that's only the first shot. I don't know why you can see that, but I'm gonna focus on this while I got the light. I'll see you guys in a bit.